Good morning, students. Good morning, students. In this session, let us see how to develop and save and then execute a C program. As I have instructed already, you invoke Turbo C C++ compiler. In the IDE of the compiler, just click the File menu and from there you choose New to enter a new program. When you select New, the editor window will get opened to you along with the message window below it. And here you see the name of the program is noname00.cpp. I repeat again, this is the default name and the default name is noname00.cpp. The Turbo C C++ compiler is used to develop not only the C programs and also the CPP program, I mean C++ programs. So now, since we wanted to develop C programs, it's better to save the new file with extension .c under the name that we wanted to save. So to do it, you go to the file menu again. You just click the file menu and from the drop down menu, you select save. The shortcut key for saving a file, saving the program in a file is F2. I repeat again, the shortcut key for saving the program in a file is F2. Now choose the save option. When you choose the save option, you will have the save file as window here. In the save file as window, you have the save file as tab. In this tab, you can see the path wherein you are going to save the program. I have asked you to copy and paste the TC, I mean the Turbo C, in the C drive. Since you have done it, the path is for saving the C program or else the CPP program is C:/TC/bin/ followed by the name of the program. This is the default name of the program. I suggest you now at present you all use the same path, namely C:/TC/bin/ and followed by the name of the file. I wanted you to change only the name of the file with extension .c as we are going to develop, save and execute the C programs. So what I am trying to do is simply press the backspace key in order to delete the default name. Now I have deleted the default name. Since it is going to be the first program, I just give the name as first.c. Once after giving the name of the program, I just click OK. When I click OK, the file name is changed into first.c. Earlier it was noname00.cpp. Now the name has been changed to first.c. First is the name of the file under which we are storing our program, and the .c represents the program is a C program. Now here you can see the cursor is blinking here for you to enter the program. You know that this is the editor window and this is the area where you wanted to enter the program, edit the program. So now let us start with the comment statement. I told you already the comment statement starts with a slash followed by asterisk mark. A first program, you just give the comment the first program in C to print hello. And this type of statement which starts with slash and asterisk mark and ends with asterisk mark followed by slash is a comment statement. This statement will not get executed by the C compiler at all. It is only for our purpose. I mean, if at all we wanted to know about the program, what for the program is and all, we can include those purposes in the comment statement. Now once after the comment statement, press enter. Now our aim is to include the header files. To include the header files, you have to first enter the hash symbol, then the include statement include followed by the less than symbol. Here we are trying to include the standard input output.h header file. This is stdio.h, nothing but standard input output.h. In order to make use of input output statements in C, we have included standard input output.h. Next, try to include one more header file, namely conio.h, conio.h. That is nothing but console input output.h. And in order to use the functions like clear screen, we are including conio.h in our program. Then press enter. I told you that the C is full of functions. We should have a function, namely main, in the program, in the C program compulsorily, because the C program starts its execution only from the main function. As you know that this main function is not going to return any value, I just give void here, that is the return data type is null, followed by the name of the function, namely main followed by a pair of empty parentheses. Now you open the body of the main function with the help of flower bracket. Then you press enter. In order to have more clarity, I would like to have indentation in my program. So I press the tab key here. Now I wanted to clear the screen. Clear the display of the output screen first. So I can make use of the function clr_ser. Since I have included conio.h, it is possible for me to make use of clr_ser here. clr_ser followed by a pair of empty parentheses. Then this is a statement in C. You know that all the statements in C should be terminated with the statement terminator semicolon. So press the semicolon here. All the statements except the comment statement and the name of the function. Rest of the statements terminate in C with the semicolon. Now press enter. Then you just give the output statement which is used to display hello, because the aim of this program is to print hello in the screen. So you make use of the output statement, namely printf, printf, and in the printf statement you give the string within double quotes, namely hello, HELLO. Close the double quotes and close the bracket. And as you know that this is the statement in C, so you are supposed to terminate with semicolon. Then again press enter. Now you make use of a statement, namely get ch, in order to make the system to wait for you to enter a key in the output. Otherwise, in a fraction of a second, it will return back to the program. So you just give this get character, get ch. It is nothing but get character. Get any character from the user in order to return. Then terminate it with the help of the semicolon. Then now, when I press enter, the cursor is blinking here. I want to go back to the previous position. Now here I would like to close the main program, some main function. So I repeat again, here first you have entered the comment statement. It is not necessary that you should have only one comment statement in the C program. You can have any number of comment statements in the program wherever it is necessary. Then you have included two include statements to include header files, namely standard input output.h and conio.h. Once after it, we have started the main function. The main function is not returning anything, that is indicated by the data type void. Open the body of the main function, enter the clear screen. This is used to clear the display before its first usage. Then we have used an output statement, namely printf, and in the printf we have given the string of characters, namely hello, because it is our aim to print hello in the display. Next thing is, I asked you to make use of the get character semicolon, then close the main function with the help of the flower bracket or butterfly bracket. Now we have successfully entered a program in the editor window. What you have to do is, you have to save the file before execution. So you just go to the file menu and then click the file menu, then select save. Here you see the shortcut key for saving the file is F2. So you can either make use of F2 to save the file, or else go to the file menu and then select the save from there. So now I select the save from here. When I click, it is getting automatically saved. Next thing is, I wanted to compile the program to see whether I have committed any syntax errors or not. So I just go and click the compile, and there you can see the compile command with its associated shortcut key Alt plus F9. So it is not necessary for you every time to go to the compile menu and then from there select the compile command. Rather, you can make use of the key combinations Alt plus F9 to compile the program. Click compile. So a message will be displayed here saying that success, press any key, and the name of the main file is first.c, compiling, editor first.c, lines compiled, any warnings, no warnings, zero warnings, and errors, zero errors, available memory, and then the success message. And it says press any key to continue. So I just press enter. Now I wanted to run the program. In order to run the program, I make use of the run command in the main menu. So now click run command and select the run from the submenu. Here you see the shortcut key for running a program or else executing a program is Control plus F9. So make use of Control plus F9 to execute the program. Now just you press it. When you press it, what happens is the program is being executed and the result is displayed. Our aim is to display hello. So it has been displayed here. The cursor is waiting for us to enter any character since we have given the get character function in the program. So when I press enter, it returns to the program. If at all you wanted to run it again, plus Control plus F9, you will get it again. So this is how you have to enter the program, save the program, and execute the program in Turbo C editor. Now, if at all we have committed any mistakes in the program, for example, instead of termination, if I forgot to include the statement terminator here, then during compilation we will get an error message. Let us see what happens. We know that we have committed one mistake here. Now you go and select the compile or press Alt plus F9. Now click compile. It says errors. Press any key. Here you see one error is there. Errors, press any key. And now if you press, it gives the error message in the message box. It says in the statement 8 the terminator is missing. So it is not giving this exactly this statement, rather it is trying to give it here. We have to locate where the mistake is. So what you can do is you just press F6 in order to shift the control to the editor window from message window. Then you make the corrections. Enter the statement terminator in the printf statement. Now again you compile it with the help of the shortcut key Alt plus F9, and you can see the success message here. Now you can press enter. Now again you run the program with the help of the shortcut key combination Control plus F9. Now it will get executed and you will get the message hello in the display. So I would like you all to do this program on your own. Save it and then compile it, execute it. Here you try to change the hello string to any other string, maybe name of your name or maybe any other message. So do practice it, and in the next session I'll teach more programs to you. Thank you students. Have a nice day.